Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're taking a look at a practical kitchen bundle that promises to bring precision and performance to your countertop, the Calphalon blender and toaster bundle. This set combines two must-have appliances that can elevate your breakfast and smoothie game. But do these products live up to their claims? Let's find out. The Calphalon blender boasts a powerful 1200-watt motor designed to handle everything from smoothies to salsas with ease. With 5 built-in settings, it offers versatility for a variety of tasks. The 68-ounce BPA-free Tritan jar ensures durability, while the 24-ounce blend-and-go cup adds convenience for those on the move. Whether you're blending fruits for a smoothie or making a quick milkshake, the blender is engineered to offer precision control. One standout feature is its ability to make consistently smooth results, even with tough ingredients. On the other hand, the Calphalon toaster features advanced heating technology. The toaster's 6 customizable shade settings provide control over how toasted your bread comes out. It also comes with a countdown LED display, allowing you to easily track the toasting process. The self-centering guides and extra-wide slots are perfect for thicker slices or artisan breads. It's a feature that's especially appreciated by those who love a hearty breakfast. Plus, both appliances are built with stainless steel finishes, offering a sleek and modern look that will complement most kitchen decor. For cleanup, both are dishwasher safe, making post-meal maintenance as easy as possible. When it comes to usage, I found the blender to be incredibly straightforward. It's not the quietest blender on the market, but it delivers solid results in a short amount of time. I tested it with a variety of ingredients, from frozen fruit to leafy greens, and the motor handled them with no issue, producing a smooth and consistent texture. The blend-and-go cup is a great bonus for those who want to take their creations on the go without needing to transfer the contents to a separate container. However, a bit more noise during blending is to be expected with such a powerful motor, but it's not a deal breaker. The toaster, however, is where I encountered a bit more variation. The 6 shade settings are certainly useful, but there is a slight learning curve when figuring out the exact shade you prefer for your bread type. The extra wide slots are fantastic for thicker breads, but they might feel a little cramped for smaller slices. The self-centering guides are a nice touch, but I did notice that with some breads, you need to make sure they are perfectly aligned to get an even toast. It's a small thing, but worth noting if you like your bread perfectly even every time. Now, as we move on to the pros and cons, let's break down the key takeaways from the blender and toaster. On the pro side, the blender's 1200-watt motor is strong and reliable, allowing you to blend anything with minimal effort. The blender jar is large enough for big batches, and the portability of the blend-and-go cup is incredibly convenient. As for the toaster, the advanced heating technology, 6 customizable shade settings, and wide slots for bread make it a versatile appliance that caters to a variety of tastes. Both appliances are also easy to clean and look great on any kitchen counter with their stainless steel finish. On the flip side, there are a few drawbacks. The blender is loud, and if you're looking for something quiet, this might not be the best option. The toaster, while it offers great features, does require a bit of trial and error to get your perfect toast setting down, especially with various types of bread. Additionally, the wide slots may not always be ideal for smaller slices. These are minor issues, but worth considering depending on your preferences. In terms of value for money, the Calphalon blender and toaster bundle offers a solid package. When comparing this bundle to other appliances in the same category, you're getting a high-performance blender and a versatile toaster at a reasonable price. While there are other options out there that might be slightly cheaper, the precision control and build quality here offer a solid balance between affordability and quality. You're essentially getting 2 appliances that can handle multiple tasks without compromising on performance. If you're considering other options on the market, there are plenty of competitors. Brands like Ninja and Breville offer similar blenders with comparable motor power, but with the Calphalon, you get a bit more precision and extra features. The toaster, too, competes with models from KitchenAid and Cuisinart, but the customizable settings and wide slots here make it a standout, especially for those with specific toasting preferences. Now, let's talk about build quality. Both the blender and toaster are made from stainless steel, which not only gives them a premium look, but also ensures they're sturdy and durable. The blender's motor feels powerful and reliable, and it looks like it's built to last. The toaster, with its sleek finish and easy-to-use features, also seems built for long-term use. Given Calphalon's solid reputation in kitchen appliances, I'm confident these products will hold up well over time, though only time will tell for sure. When it comes to customer support, I haven't needed to reach out personally for either appliance. However, Calphalon is known for offering responsive customer service, with many reports indicating that their support team is quick to assist with any issues. That said, these products are fairly straightforward, so you might not need customer service unless something goes wrong early on. Finally, to wrap things up, the Calphalon blender and toaster bundle is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances without breaking the bank. The blender offers great power and versatility, while the toaster provides customizable options to suit various preferences. While there are minor drawbacks, particularly with the toaster's learning curve and the blender's noise level, both products are well made and perform admirably in real-world scenarios. If you're in the market for durable, reliable kitchen appliances that will deliver consistent results, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching today's review. Don't forget, the link to get this product can be found in the comments box. Let me know if you've tried these appliances or have any questions. Feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, stay hungry for the best kitchen finds with Reviews Inside TV.